You're welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about pip. So what is a pip? So a pip is a unit of measurement in Forex. It is what is used to measure the difference in price changes. So a pip is like a ruler that we use to measure what the difference, what do I call it? It is what we use to measure price. So just like we use liters to measure water, that is the same way we use a pip to measure the movement of price in the market. So a pip is represented in figures, in numbers. So they are represented in numbers, and I'll be showing you right now. So you see, if you have a 1 pip on if you enter a lot size of 1.0, if there is a 1 pip movement if the exchange rate is 470 naira per dollar, then your value per pip will be 4,700. Then if you enter a 1.0 pip in this, then let's look at it now. You see, let's say you entered a buy order on GBP USD at 1.30755. Now what is 1.30755? 1.30755 is the quantity of money you need. For instance, when you see GBP USD, what's happening here is that you are buying GBP USD, then you are selling the US dollar. That's what you are doing. You are buying GBP and you are selling dollar. So you will need 1.30755 US dollar to buy 1 USD, 1 GBP rather. You get it now? You will need what? Sorry, let me go back to the slide. You will need 1.30755 of USD to buy 1 GBP. Just like in Naira, currently I think the exchange rate is in about 173 or so. So you will need 173 Naira to buy $1. So that is the same thing in this place here. So this is it, 1.30755. Now, if the price goes up once, if it goes up by 1 pip, what will happen? It will change. Now, this last 0 here is a fractional number, so we don't count this one. This one is called a nano pip, but it's not important. What we look at is the pip. So if it goes up by 1 pip, what happens is that it will change to 1.30765. So it was 55, now it's now 65. So this is 1 pip movement. If you enter a 0.01 volume, it will be 47 naira for this movement here. Now if you enter a 0.02 volume, it will be 94 naira for just that 1 pip movement. So that means if it moves 2 pips, what does that mean? 94 times 2. If it moves 4 pips rather, it will be 94 times 2. So now, how many 94 can you find in 200,000? No, we are working with a 200,000 naira account. So how many 94 naira can you find in 200,000? So now we have to divide 200,000 naira by 94. So the answer will be 2,127. Now what does that mean? It means if you want to enter a trade of 94, before you can make 200,000, people has to move 2,127 times. So look at it now. If we have 2,127 pips in 200,000 naira accounts, we will divide this thing by 50, and then we have 42 trades. Now what does this mean? This means that for you to blow your 200,000 naira account with a stop loss of 50 pips, with a strength of 2,127 pips, and you have a stop loss of 50 pips, you will need to lose 42 trades before you will blow your account. And that is very impossible. Using this strategy, you cannot lose 42. You can't even lose 5 trades consistently. Well, it may happen, but what I'm trying to say is that it is impossible to lose 42 trades. You can't lose 10 trades consistently without making profits. So that is why you need to follow the rules, so that you can. So that's that for this class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.